Hey, sixth grade, here is the next unit of our Greek and Latin root words. The theme for the next 2 weeks is around we go. All of our roots have to deal with being in the middle, the center, or going around something. As you listen to the video, make sure you are writing in the vocab word, the part of speech, and the definition. If the video is moving too fast, you can always pause it, write in the word, hit play to keep moving on. Just because I'm not there doesn't mean you shouldn't be writing in the vocab words. The expectation is still the same. So make sure you are getting all the vocab words into your folder. The roots this week are cycle. It's a Greek root and it means circle. The next root is circum or circ, which is Latin. It means around. And the third root word is center. It's Greek and it means middle. The first vocab word for the week is cycle. It's a noun. It's a set of events or actions that happen again and again in the same order. A repeating series of events or actions. Remember, you need to write down enough of the definition so that you know what the word means. The example, the water cycle consists of evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection, and then back to evaporation. The next word is cyclical. Cyclical is an adjective. Pay close attention to the pronunciation. Cyclical. Cyclical means happening again and again in the same order, or happening in cycles. The seasons of Earth change in a cyclical manner. Notice that the definition of cyclical has the vocab word cycle. So cyclical is an adjective. The next word is cyclone, my favorite team. Cyclone is a noun. It's an extremely large, powerful, and destructive storm with very high winds that turn around in an area of low pressure. The example, the spinning cyclone ripped trees right out of the ground. The next word is circumference. It's a noun. The circumference definition is the length of a line that goes around a circle or other round shapes. So the circumference goes around the outside. The diameter goes through the middle. So we're thinking about the outside of the circle. In math, we learn the formula for finding the distance around or circumference of a circle. Your next word is circuit. Circuit is a noun. A circuit is the complete path that an electric current travels along. In science, we studied how electricity travels around in a circuit to power a light bulb. When I was in school, we made circuits in science class. We actually did that. The next word is circumstance. Circumstance is a noun. It's a condition that surrounds or causes an event to happen. A number of circumstances, broken alarm clock, traffic, and illness, caused me to be late to work today. Your next word is circumvent. Circumvent is a verb. It means to get around something in a clever and sometimes dishonest way. He tried to circumvent the password screen in order to gain access to her computer. Your next word is central. Central is an adjective. It means located in the center of a thing or place. The new park should be in a central location convenient to everyone. Your next word is concentric. Concentric is an adjective. It means when two or more objects share the same center point. So if you look at the image, it reminds me of water ripples. When you drop a rock, the water ripples into small rings and they get bigger as they continue to expand. Concentric, the example, you can use your compass to draw concentric circles. And your last word, eccentric. Eccentric is an adjective meaning tending to act in strange or unusual ways. Jamie definitely had an eccentric sense of style. She wore clothes and hairstyles that no one had ever seen before.